Cortonesi Brunello di Montalcino Poggiarelli 2016. So Cortonesi is the name of the winery, Poggiarelli is the Cru single vineyard, southeast of Montalcino, super rocky. Galestro is the matrix, like most Tuscany matrix is made of galestro, so like schistty soil that usually delivers a pretty distinctive minerality in the wine. This winery is called Mannella. Cortonesi is the name of the family, so you might find in the back label also La Mannella. What should we talk about this wine? I think it's very interesting, only 4,000 bottles, so it's a very small production. Very dark color. On the nose, a supercharged like chocolate, leather, vanilla, so very dark kind of aromas, blueberries, and a mineral smoky touch on the wine. Tommaso Cortonesi is using 500 liters tonneau. So as a result, the wine has got a lot of structure, a lot of tannins. You can see that I'm trying to digest all of this tannic power. This is a wine that is built to last. It's conceived to be going on and on and on. So right now, you might find the wine a little bit on the austerity side. This beautiful black-driven fruit is helping the wine smoothing out. It's only gonna be a matter of time.